Hi friends, how are you? Let us come and learn how we can balance a chemical equation. Balancing chemical equation. Balancing of chemical equation is based on the law of conservation of mass. According to this law, in an ordinary chemical equation, matter cannot be created or destroyed. That means we cannot either create or destroy any matter. So, regarding the balancing of chemical equation, 2 points should be kept in our mind. What 2 points? First point is the correct formula or symbol for each substance involved in the reaction must be known. And number 2 point is none of the subscripts of the formula of the left hand side can be changed in a balancing chemical equation. So these 2 points always should be in our mind. If you don't mind this, you are unable to balancing chemical equation or balance chemical equation. Chemical equation may be balanced by trial and error methods. What is trial and error methods? In trial and error methods, in this method, appropriate coefficients are set just before the chemical symbols and formula in an equation. We cannot change subscripts, mind it, but we can set what? Appropriate coefficient just before the chemical symbol and formula. So friends, let us see the example for balancing chemical equation. In these reactions, when MgHCl reacts, it will form MgCl2 plus H2, which is an unbalanced chemical equation. We have to balance this equation. Let us first test the total numbers of magnesium, hydrogen and chlorine atoms in left hand side and right hand sides. Here magnesium in left hand side 1, in right hand side 1, hydrogen also in left hand side 1, but in right hand side 2. Chlorine atoms in left hand side 1 and in right hand side 2. So now we have to balance these equations by putting the appropriate coefficients just before the formula of hydrogen chloride. So we will put 2 here. After the putting coefficient 2 here, this equation becomes balanced. So now this is balanced chemical equation. Next one is when magnesium react with water, it will form MgOH whole 2 plus H2. This equation is also unbalanced. See numbers of atoms of magnesium, hydrogen and oxygen. In left hand side, magnesium 1, hydrogen 2, oxygen 1. But in right hand side, magnesium 1, hydrogen 4, oxygen 2. 2 hydrogen here and 2 here, 4. But here in left hand side only 2. Oxygen only 1. But oxygen here 2. We have to balance this chemical equation by putting the appropriate coefficients. As we discussed earlier, we will put coefficient 2 here just before the chemical formula of water. After putting the coefficient 2, this chemical equation also becomes balanced. Next example is AlCl3 plus CaOH whole 2 gives AlOH whole thrice plus CaCl2. This equation is also unbalanced. See here numbers of atoms of aluminum, chlorine, OH, iron, calcium. In left hand side aluminum 1, chlorine 3, OH minus 2 and calcium also 1. But in right hand side aluminum 1, chlorine left side 3, right side 2, OH minus left side 2, right side 3, Ca 1 and 1. So this is unbalanced chemical equation also. We have to balance it by using appropriate coefficients just before the either symbol or formula. Here we will put appropriate coefficient just before the formula. So we will put 2 here and 3 here. Also 2 here and 3 here. After the putting appropriate coefficients before the chemical formula of each substance, this reaction also becomes balanced. Similarly, friends, we will balance the chemical equation HClO3 when it breaks into KCl plus O2. We have to balance like this. So this chemical equation also becomes balanced. So this is our balancing chemical equation. Please take a screenshot for your board exam notes. So friends, if you are watching this video on YouTube, please subscribe our channel, and if you are watching on my Facebook page, you may follow me my Facebook page, that is Dr. CS Cam Hub. Thank you.